Hi, my name is Josh Resby. This is my informative speech on becoming a pharmacist. I would like to introduce you to my audience.
Hi, I'm Sarah.
Hi, I'm Katie.
The purpose of this speech is to inform my audience about the life and career of a pharmacist. Become a pharmacist has always been a long-term educational goal that I have set forth for myself. According to the University of Minnesota homepage, in 2006, pharmacists held around 230,000 jobs in the United States, 61% of them being held in community pharmacies across the U.S. Employment for pharmacies is expected to grow faster than the average occupations through 2014. Have you ever wondered what exactly goes into becoming a pharmacist? Well, let me tell you a little bit of factual information about a pharmacist. I'll be informing you of three main points regarding a pharmacist: what the job is actually like, the professional commitment of a pharmacist, and the educational background needed to become a pharmacist. I would like to go over a little PowerPoint presentation that I prepared for the speech. What is the job like? Give medication to people when a doctor has prescribed specific medication. Inform people of the appropriate uses of medication. Expertise in medicine and side effects. The professional commitment of a pharmacist. Pharmacists work towards cure of diseases. Elimination of reduction of symptoms. Solving disease process. Prevention of disease. Diagnosis of disease. And desired altercation in physiological processes. Schooling for pharmacy. 2-year post-secondary or bachelor's degree is required. Average GPA of 3.7. PCAT, Pharmacy College Admission Test. Pharmacy school is an additional 4 years. 1 to 2 year internship, clinicals. Different places that pharmacists work. 60% of pharmacists work in drugstores. General medical and surgical hospitals, 20% of pharmacists. Other general merchandise stores, clinics, grocery stores, and department stores. Other 20% in a variety of other settings. Salaries: department stores, grocery stores, pharmacies and drugstores, and general medical and surgical hospitals. Why do I want to become a pharmacist? Daily tasks and responsibilities, strong educational background, personal commitment to helping people, diversity in the workplace, and of course the earnings. I'm sure you've all been sick at one point in your life, whether you've had a backache or a headache. You take medicine to ease the pain and relief of the symptoms. All the medicine available to us, you either pick up at your local Walmart or your Target, comes from a pharmacy, whether it's a pharmacist in the drugstore, pharmacy itself, or in the pharmacy lab where the drug is actually created, tested, the scientific part of the background of the drug. We've all been to see a pharmacist at one point of our lives. Prescription drugs to help us deal with different sicknesses. I'm a people person, and me personally, I look at becoming a pharmacist as a rewarding career, and the fact of being able to help people. That's what I like to do. One of the things that I feel is important in life is to give back to other people, whether it's a elderly person, a Vietnam veteran or veteran of war, a child with cancer, different things in order to give back and be able to help people is what's important to me. That's what I think the reward of becoming a pharmacist would be. Just knowing that, in my mind, helping people and being able to help people get over their sicknesses and deal with them and be comfortable in life, be able to spend time with their families, different things like that is what's important to me. Before I get to my conclusion, I would like to introduce you to one of my audience members, Katie, and she could share her thoughts with you on why I would become a good pharmacist.
When I learned of Josh wanting to do a speech on becoming a pharmacist, at first I was quite surprised. However, thinking about it, I think Josh possesses 3 of the characteristics that make up a pharmacist. 1, he likes to communicate and he communicates well. Pharmacists need to be able to communicate whether it's with patients or with physicians in describing and diagnosing drugs. 2nd, he has a caring heart. Being a pharmacist, you need to help patients, whether it's alleviating symptoms of the flu or whether it's prolonging the life of a cancer patient. Thirdly, Josh will become a great pharmacist because the industry of pharmacy is growing ever so fast. There are always available jobs and great opportunities.
I have informed you of the 3 main points of what a job is like to become a pharmacist, the professional commitment of becoming a pharmacist, and the educational needs of a pharmacist. Pharmacists must have scientific aptitude, great communication skills, they must be detail-oriented, and they must be conscientious and want to help people. So now let me ask you this. Do you know what it takes to become a pharmacist?